Have you ever found yourself wishing to draw more, but just can't find the time or motivation? In today's video, I'm going to share some strategies with you and show how small changes can make a huge difference. By the end, you'll have all the tools you need to turn daily drawing into a natural and enjoyable habit. Stay with me until the end to discover how to unlock your artistic potential and never miss a day of practice again. Shall we begin? To draw every day, it's crucial to make starting as easy as possible. Procrastination often stems from anxiety and/or fear of failure, a lack of confidence in achieving what you want. Therefore, don't aim to produce a daily masterpiece, but rather just pick up the pencil and put something on paper, no matter how small. It could be a doodle, a sketch of something on your desk, or even practicing different types of lines and shapes. For example, what I usually do is start my drawing sessions with 20 or 30 minutes of gesture drawing. It's a practice where I can quickly produce a good volume of drawings without the commitment to high quality, which helps me overcome the hardest part, starting. Once in the flow, it's much easier to move on to more complex drawings. The focus should be on consistency, not complexity. Small daily advances lead to significant progress over time, developing both your skill and your confidence. Creating a dedicated space for your drawing habit is crucial for maintaining consistency. This doesn't need to be an art studio. It can be a small corner in your home where you keep your drawing materials accessible and ready to use. Again, the idea is to reduce the barriers to starting. If you know that everything you need is within reach, you are more likely to sit down and start drawing. This space should be comfortable and free from distractions, allowing you to focus entirely on your practice. For example, set up a small table with your pencils, paper, and good lighting. Having a specific place to draw also helps create a routine, signaling to your brain that it's time to focus on art whenever you're in that environment. This might seem like an abstract tip, but many sleep experts recommend something very similar. One of the various strategies they recommend is to use your bed only for sleeping. If you often lie in bed to watch movies or series, play video games, or engage in any other stimulating activities, your brain might start associating these activities with being in bed, making it much harder for you to fall asleep. As I mentioned in the first tip, one of the biggest obstacles to drawing consistency is the fear of failure, which often leads to procrastination. To overcome this, an effective strategy is to draw the same thing every day. This might seem repetitive, but it's precisely this detail that makes this tip efficient. By focusing on a single subject, you eliminate the pressure to create something new and original each day, which can be quite intimidating. Choose something you really like, something that inspires you. Ideally, it should be something simple, like a character or an object. Choose your subject and draw it every day, at least for a month. Drawing the same thing every day will give you the confidence you need to start drawing and will help make daily drawing a habit. Over time, you will see significant progress, not only in the quality of your drawing, but also in your confidence and ease in approaching the act of drawing. An effective way to ensure you draw every day is to link your drawing habit to another established routine. For example, you can draw while having your coffee or while listening to music. The key is that this habit you're attaching drawing to shouldn't be a distraction, like watching a series. It needs to be something you can do almost passively. I really enjoy drawing while listening to music, and for each type of drawing, I listen to a specific type of music. If I'm creating a character for a more epic, aggressive scene, I usually listen to rock, for example. If it's a more peaceful scene, I like to listen to classical music and so on. This helps me stay in the same vibe as the art I'm creating and also makes the act of drawing even more enjoyable. This strategy helps your brain associate this new habit with an existing one, making it easier to remember and stick to it. By integrating drawing into a regular part of your day, you reduce the mental and physical resistance to starting, creating an automatic connection that facilitates consistency. This technique, known as habit stacking, can be extremely powerful for building and maintaining new habits in a natural and sustainable way. Every artist has faced the dreaded blank page and had no idea what to draw. If you've never experienced this, you're blessed with a divine imagination. Having a list of ideas or themes to draw is a valuable tool for maintaining daily consistency. This can range from daily drawing challenges you find online to a simple list of objects around you. The important thing is to remove the obstacle of, "I don't know what to draw" from your path. By having a ready source of inspiration, you can start drawing immediately without spending time and energy thinking about what to create. A few years ago, I compiled prompts from several years of monthly challenges like Inktober and created a spreadsheet with various random words. Whenever I don't know what to draw, I select some of these words randomly and ask ChatGPT to create an original prompt based on what I want to draw, whether it's just a character or a complete scene. This is a great way to use new AI technologies to your advantage. Using a cheap sketchbook can be an excellent strategy for drawing every day without feeling the pressure to create something perfect. Expensive sketchbooks can cause anxiety, especially on days when you don't feel inspired. A more affordable sketchbook reduces this pressure, allowing you to experiment, doodle, and make mistakes without worrying about the cost of paper or the need to fill each page with a masterpiece. The freedom to draw without restrictions facilitates daily practice and helps you develop your skills in a more natural and carefree manner. One good way to address this is by using simple printer paper. I like to buy reams of 500 sheets, divide them into 2 or 3 blocks, and bind them. This is a very cheap solution to have multiple sketchbooks where you can make mistakes without any worry. You can even create these sketchbooks with specific themes. For example, one for gesture drawings, another for portraits, another for landscapes, etc. Drawing as early as possible in the day can significantly increase your chances of maintaining consistency. Willpower is a resource that dwindles throughout the day, which explains why it's common to break diets at night. By drawing in the morning, you take advantage of a period when your energy and determination are at their peak, reducing the likelihood of procrastination. Establishing drawing as one of the first activities of the day creates a strong habit, allowing you to start the day with a sense of accomplishment and progress. Of course, not everyone can draw in the morning due to their unique routines. But if you can, it's worth trying. Obviously, you should not compromise your sleep to draw early. Sleep should always be a priority, regardless of the situation. The idea is to make drawing one of the first things you do in your day after waking up. It's important to make this clear. This is a very common and powerful strategy used to create any type of habit you want to add to your routine, such as reading a book, engaging in physical activity, etc. Working on personal projects can be a great motivation to draw every day. Projects give a sense of purpose and direction to your work, keeping you moving and eager to see the final result. They can also lead you to study things you might not normally be interested in, which can be extremely valuable for your growth as an artist. When you're involved in something you really care about, excitement and curiosity naturally increase, making it easier to dedicate time daily. Additionally, personal projects allow you to see progress tangibly, which can be extremely rewarding and inspiring. This commitment to something bigger than just isolated drawings helps keep the creative flame alive and reinforces the importance of the daily drawing habit. For example, start an illustration project for a book, create a series of themed drawings on a subject you love, or design a fantasy universe. Any topic that inspires you can be used to keep you moving, motivated, and inspired. If you enjoyed this video and want to take your drawing skills to the next level, I have a special recommendation for you. In the links in the description, you will find amazing courses that have been carefully selected to help you improve your techniques and expand your creativity. Additionally, by purchasing any of these courses, you will be directly supporting the channel, allowing me to continue creating quality content for you. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in yourself and your artistic talent. Click the links now and start transforming your drawings. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.